every stage of the way, the whole process, I've dealt with a person from Morgan lens, which I have absolutely appreciated. I love that. I'm all about people, and I believe that there's too many automated things in life these days, and to have that real interpersonal connection has been a pleasure. I love it, even down to the packaging, where there's a little cheat sheet reminder on the back of the different fluids to use, the rates, and repeating it and how to repeat it. As we know, there's lots of decision fatigue in emergency departments and stuff, and that's why we have algorithms and things like that to help us remember things. So in the case of ocular emergencies, you don't have to think about it too much. It's right there on the packaging. It's perfect.